Hi everyone, my name is Thomas Allen and I am the program coordinator for the UIC Summer Institute on Sustainability and Energy. I'm coming to you from my home office for obvious reasons to invite you to join us for our 11th annual SISE program this summer from July 5th through the 16th. SISE is a community invested in broad issues related to energy, the environment, sustainability, and is a space that values diverse people, disciplines, perspectives, and experiences. Within the space, we engage with future and current thought leaders and social influencers. Through conversation, critical thinking, and community engagement, we create and share knowledge to shape the future. Since 2011, SISE has met each summer in Chicago, until last year, for obvious reasons, again, when we presented our first digital program. This year, we're going to do the same thing again, presenting our program digitally through a live stream on YouTube, so people will be able to tune in from around the world. Keynote speakers and panelists will discuss some of the top energy and sustainability challenges we face today and what we should consider for the future. For those interested in a more unique, in-depth, and meaningful experience, and I hope that's most of you out there, we're taking applications for our 11th cohort of SISE Fellows. SISE Fellows are future decision makers in energy and sustainability related fields. They are from all around the globe and represent an incredibly diverse spectrum of cultures, academic backgrounds, and life experiences. Fellows receive direct access to speakers and panelists during SISE 2021, special programming not available to the public, and access to our alumni network of more than 500 fellows spread around the United States and the world. I've posted contact information in the description below, including information on how you can apply to the program and how you can contact us should you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can receive updates on new content, and also subscribe to our mailing list so you can receive the latest SISE-related news. Stay safe, and hope to see you and all the best nerds on Earth this summer at SISE.